a lot of methods of waste disposal such as landfills, incineration, waste compaction, biogas generation, and vermicomposting. In this moment, we will discuss the disadvantage and advantages of each methods. Landfill site, also known as tip, dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground, is a site for disposal of waste materials. There are a lot of advantages of landfills. First is landfills are excellent as energy sources. Modern landfills are eco-friendly, keep cities, towns, and districts clean, keep hazardous waste segregated. And the last one is landfill support jobs and local businesses. There are also some of disadvantages of landfills, which are landfills are partially responsible for climate change. Methane lights up easily, contaminate soil and water. Landfills affect wildlife. Accident can happen. Landfills affect human health. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of substances contained in a waste material. Industrial plants for waste incineration are commonly referred to as waste-to-energy facilities. The advantages of incineration are far more efficient use of space, elimination of groundwater contamination, and energy generation, and the last one is lower carbon footprint. And the disadvantage of incinerations are high expenses, continued emission of toxic or otherwise hazardous pollutants. And the last one is opportunity cost. The advantages of waste compactor are they save your company money, it makes your company more efficient, it gives you more space, it improves looks and reduce smells, and it can boost your green credentials. And the disadvantages of waste compactors are less regulation, disposal of waste, large amount of garbage, personal garbages compactor. Biogas is a renewable fuel produced by the breakdown of organic matter such as food crop and animal waste. It can be used in the variety of waste including as vehicle fuel and for heating and electricity generation. The advantages of biogas generation is biogas generation reduces soil and water pollution fertilizer. It's a simple and low-cost technology that encourages a circular economy. Healthy cooking alternative for developing areas. And the disadvantages of biogas generations are few technological advancements, contain impurities, effect of temperature on biogas production, less suitable for dense metropolitan areas. Composting is a mixture of ingredients used to fertilize and improve the soil. It is commonly prepared by decomposing plants and food waste and recycling organic materials. The advantages of composting are composting has an abundance of nutrients and is suitable for a wide variety of end uses. such as landscaping, topsoil blending, and growth media. Compost also increased the water content and retention of. The disadvantages of composting are unpleasant smell, may attract rats, snakes, and bugs, involves plenty of work, and requires initial investment. And the last one is efficiency depends on your amount of organic waste. Vermicomposting is the product of earthworm digestion and organic decomposition using the activities of micro and macroorganisms at room temperature. Vermicomposting or worm composting produces a rich organic soil and amendment containing a diversity of plant nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. The advantages of vermicomposting are it develops roots of plants, improves the physical structure of the soil. Vermicomposting increases the fertility and water resistance of the soil, and it is also help in generating plant growth and crop yield. And the disadvantages of vermicomposting are fruit flies, pathogens, and cost. Solid waste refers to the range of garbages, materials arising from animals and human activities that are discarded as unwanted or useless. As such, landfills are typically classified as sanitary, municipal, construction, and demolition or industrial waste sites. There are a lot of sources of solid waste, which are solid domestic garbage, waste material from various industries, solid agriculture waste, plastic, glass, metals, e-waste, and etc. To minimize of increasing solid waste, we have to think about the things we can do to minimize it. So, management of solid waste can include sources reduction, recycling, storage, collection, transportation, processing, and disposal. Examples of solid waste facilities include landfills, composting sites, transfer station, incineration, and processing facilities. An efficient municipal solid waste management system may create serious negative environmental impacts like infectious diseases, land and water pollution, obstruction of drains, and loss of biodiversity.